Hi world. Hi everybody. So I wanted to come on really fast to show you something that I get a ton of questions about, like a boatload of questions about when I do my eyes. So my makeup is done for the day. Like, you know, I'm pretty much put together, except every single day, part of my beauty regimen is to highlight my eyes. You think it's not going to make a difference? It is going to blow your mind what a difference highlighting your eyes can make. So I use powder. I use a pigment powder. It's Younique's pigment powder in Curious. It's just like white, like almost like a whitish gold. I use my pinky. Like I don't even use a brush. Like, hey, thank you. Thank you. Hi everybody. So I don't even use a brush, but I want to show you how amazing this is going to make your eyes look. Seriously, you need to try this. So I'm going to do one eye and I'm going to show you the difference. Okay. So pigment powder, pinky, and I put some right here. Just under your brow, but above your brow bone. And don't worry if you don't have like a lot of space, you know, between your eyebrow and your eye. I am really live, Elaine. Hello. I'm really live. It's really live. Okay, so you put it right there, okay? And then back on your pinky, and you're gonna put some right there. Hello? Look how I just made my eyes pop without doing anything. Like this to this. Looks pretty good, huh? Let's do the other one. And it's like, I get so many compliments on it, and people are always like, what do you use? Because I do it every single day. Every day. It takes 30 seconds. See? And you're pretty much done. But look how different. One little thing. And this little tub could last you a lifetime, literally. So don't forget to highlight your eyes. Honestly, it's the first thing people look at it when they look at you. Boom, right? I never catch you live. You're gorgeous. I love my eyebrow gel and need to do a before and after pic. Possibly thinking I should have gone with a darker color though. I was scared. I'm glad you love the gel. The gel and the pencil are life-changing. I do want to see a before and after. You know where to find me. Please send it to me, Elaine, and I miss you dearly. So, boom. Highlight eyes, right? Literally, one step. You'll thank me later, all right? That's all I got for today. I'll see you guys later.